Novelcrafter versus Sudowrite versus Squibler. Which AI writing tool is best for authors? Whether you're working on your first novel, a short story, or just trying to beat writer's block, AI writing tools can give you a serious creative boost. Novelcrafter, Sudowrite, and Squibler are three popular options built for storytellers, but each one offers a different writing experience. Let's break down what makes each one unique. So let's start off with Novelcrafter. So, Novelcrafter is a tool built specifically for fiction authors. It focuses on organizing story elements, helping you build plots, characters, and scenes all in one place. It's like Scrivener meets AI. Let's talk about the pros. So, it is an all in one novel planning and writing space, built in timeline and world building features, helps keep track of characters, arcs, and chapters. It has a clean, distraction free interface, but there are some drawbacks. So, fewer AI writing features, and then Sudowrite, not ideal for short form content, and it is still growing in terms of automation tools. Now, this is best for writers who want a structured story first writing workspace. Okay, next we've got Sudowrite. So Sudowrite is an AI writing assistant made to help you write faster and smarter, especially for fiction. It's known for creative tools like Describe, Expand, and Rewrite, which makes it feel like you're brainstorming with a co-author. Now let's talk about the pros. So it is excellent for overcoming writer's block. Creative tools like Plot Twist Generator, Tone Shift, and Character Help works directly inside your story draft and very beginner friendly. There are some drawbacks: lacks deep project organization tools, subscription based with limited free use, and better for drafting than full planning. Now, this is best for writers looking for AI powered creativity and quick inspiration. Next, we've got Squibler. So, Squibler offers a mix of AI writing and project management. It's good for both novels and screenplays. It comes with templates to help guide your structure, from plot outlines to dialogue heavy scenes. Let's talk about the pros. So, templates for books, scripts, and blog posts, storyboarding and drag and drop scene planning, decent AI assistance for writing prompts, easy export options for publishing. Cons: AI features not as powerful as Sudowrite, less focused than Novelcrafter for fiction, and interface can feel cluttered at times. Now, this is best for writers who want flexibility for writing different formats like novels, blogs, or screenplays. Final verdict. So choose Novelcrafter if you want organized novel focused platform that keeps your entire story structured in one place, or pick Sudowrite if you're stuck or want an AI co-writer to help with descriptions, dialogue, or plot ideas, or simply go for Squibler if you want template driven writing and support for multiple formats from books to scripts. Now, each one is built with a different kind of writer in mind, so your best pick depends on how you like to write.